Hi you guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and the Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Now on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I am going to show you how to cook Chinese red roast chicken. That's a mouthful, right? But I can tell you it is delicious, and that is the way they cook it in my country. That is the way the Chinese people cook it in this country, and I'm pretty sure that is how a lot of Chinese people all over the world make their red roast chicken, okay? Now, I'm gonna post all the ingredients in the information box below the video for your convenience, so without further ado, let us continue. Okay, beautiful people, so for this dish, we will need this packet of roast red pork seasoning mix, and obviously, instead of pork, I'm using chicken. It works well also. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna dissolve the contents of this packet in this bowl, and pray for me because I'm using a white bowl. I think it is going to stain like a muda fuga, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyways. So let me go ahead and get my scissors and open the packet and dissolve the marinade, and then we're gonna put the chicken in it and set it to one side to marinate for at least 2.5 hours. Okay? It smells delicious. Now this is what the packet looks like. This is what the contents look like. Can you see it? Baby, pray for me because I think this thing is going to stain. It is going to stain, and then I can get rid of my bowl. Anyway, let me get the hot water. Now, it says on the package that you need to dissolve the seasoning mix with about 250 milliliters of water. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Baby, pray for me. And this is a complete seasoning mix, you guys. You don't have to add anything else in addition to what's already in the contents of the package, alright? And you just want to make sure that it's dissolved completely. There we go. Now what I'm going to add to the marinade is the chicken. And I'm using chicken cutlets, and I've left the skin on the chicken. Now you guys, I'm not going to show you how I wash my chicken or how I wash my fish. I've done that plenty of times on camera, and the reason I do that is because meat goes from one hand to the next, and you don't know whose hands are clean, you don't know whose hands are dirty. I uploaded a video in which I show you how I cook rat snapper, and somebody posted a comment on that video stating, oh, it's rubbish, you don't have to wash fish, you can just cook it as is. Well, by all means, go ahead and eat your nasty food. I am not about to teach my people here on the channel to not wash their fish or their chicken or whatnot. The fact of the matter is, meats have a very pungent scent. And if you don't wash your meats without any vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice before using it, you're going to ingest all of those smells, and you're not going to eat with joy. It's not going to be appealing, it's going to be appalling. And I'm not here to teach you how to cook appalling food. I am here to teach you, I am here to show you how to cook delicious food, okay? So keep that in mind. If you don't want to wash your chicken, if you don't want to wash your fish, baby, don't let me stop you. But on this channel, in this kitchen, in this house, we wash the chicken. Oh, but we do. We wash the fish. Oh, but we do. Okay. Alright, now let me go ahead and set this chicken to one side. I'm going to put this in the fridge to marinate overnight. And this is about 1 kilogram of chicken, you guys. To my friends in America, this is about 2.5 pounds of chicken. Alright? Alright, enough talking. Alright, beautiful people. Our chicken has marinated overnight. Let's have a look-see. This is what it looks like. Ooh, baby, it smells absolutely delicious. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to transfer the chicken to our oven rack, and then we're going to roast the chicken for about an hour. And there we go. Doesn't that look beautiful? Now we're going to put these in the oven, and you want to put them in the oven with the skin side up. Don't remove the skin. This is going to keep the chicken nice and moist. All right? Alright, now as far as the marinade is concerned, you're not going to get rid of this. You can either make a sauce with this, with some onions and whatnot, but you can also add some of it to the pan, just like so. And what I'm also going to add is a little bit of water, because while the chicken is going to be roasting, the liquid at the bottom of the pan is going to provide moisture from the bottom up. Okay, you guys, so it's been about an hour and everything is looking good. And now for the final presentation, get a load of our beautifully roasted chicken. Baby, let me tell you, it smells delicious up in here. And I can also tell you that the chicken is very moist. It's very succulent. It's not dry. It is just the way it's supposed to be. Now, you can serve this with some noodles or some rice and a good helping of some pak choy or some string beans. And there we have it, our delicious Chinese red roast chicken. Baby, let me tell you, it was the bomb.com. Okay? And by the way, this is also known as Char Siu chicken, and this is the same chicken that I used for my chow mein video, which I've uploaded to the channel last Christmas. If you haven't already checked out that video, please do so. I think you're gonna love it. Now, if you decide to try this one, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, don't add crazy to the craziness, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.